Welcome to CRMPlus365, a simple CRM built on Microsoft's low-code Power Platform, so it has a similar look and feel to Microsoft's Dynamics 365. Our base system includes a place to track organizations as well as a place for contacts. Within organizations, you can have customers, prospects, leads, or even partners, vendors, or suppliers. Basically, all companies are put into this main list called organizations. In addition to organizations and contacts, we also have opportunities. Within opportunities is a list of sales opportunities, the company it's for, the amount, and the status or stage. The X in the CRMPlus365 system is the Projects section. The Projects section lists all project details including the amount and the client it's for, all similar to the Opportunities section. Each project can have multiple tasks that we can assign to our team. Let's go back to organizations. If we click on ABC Recycling, we'll be taken to the organization forms, which are clean and very easy to read. We can see here we're on the summary form, and it's made up of several sections. The account information is here at the top, then the address section, followed by a map that's automatically populated from the address. The phone number, fax, and website address are here in the middle, as well as the overall or high-level description of the organization. At the top of the middle section is where we put the next step for this organization, so we can know quickly at a glance what the next steps are. Then on the far right is all associated contacts, while the main contact is also listed here on the left. Also note that anything that's shown in blue is actually a clickable link, so in this case we can click this primary contact and additional details will pop up, and if we click a phone number, for example, a form will pop up allowing us to record the details of the phone call, and if we're set up properly, the computer can even dial the number and make the call. We can also click on any of the contacts listed on the right, and that will bring up more details about that particular contact. The next form is the timeline, and it's here that you'll see all the emails, phone calls, tasks, all the activity related to this organization, all in chronological order. So anyone can easily look up and see what's going on with the organization at a glance. The CRMPlus365 system has a dashboard feature that we can set up to be your default screen when you log into your CRM. We can set up funnel charts, bar charts, pie charts, lists, and everything is interactive so you can drill down to get more information. The CRMPlus365 system includes the Microsoft Outlook app, mobile apps, and our web capture feature so that people can fill out a contact form on your website and have the information feed directly into your CRM. This allows you to retrieve this information from within your CRM rather than having to look at your emails for emailed web forms. If you'd like to try CRMPlus365 risk-free, please reach out to us at www.p2automation.com.